But again, that's where we're coming from. I had a free rack I pulled out of a dumpster. My work table in Hawaii, they were throwing it out, so I had a free work table. Guys, look at this. Here we are. Good afternoon and aloha, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name's Chad and Ho'oleva. Welcome to the Lone Star Hawaiian Garage for a pivotal day, a very exciting day in which we're going to be unboxing and installing what's going to be going right over there. We ordered a NewAge Products cabinet set weeks and weeks ago. It came in. It's been sitting in that laundry room for way too long as we finish up the floors, the baseboards, the walls. But today's finally the day to get this thing installed. Now, I do want to say thank you because none of this, guys, none of this would be possible without you. You guys literally viewing these videos, the monetization piece of this channel makes it possible. Every penny that is earned goes right back into the truck, the charger, the floor, the garage, for your entertainment. So again, thank you for making this possible. I could not be more happy doing this stuff. So we have a ton of work to do today. Everything that used to be in this garage is either in the backyard, on the back porch, in the shed, in the laundry room, or in the front. So I have a lot to do. We're gonna pull the truck, we're gonna pull the charger out of the garage. So without further ado, here's a cold start on the Silverado and a not so cold start on the 392 Charger. All right, here comes the fun part. All right, we got nearly everything outside. We got that shelving unit pretty much loaded up. Guys, if you don't remember, this actually used to be a super ugly wall thing unit that the previous owner had over there. I cut it up and made this to fit snugly in the corner. Hi. So that's tucked back in. We have Grandpa's toolbox and the other half on the table. We got this little rack that I made back in Hawaii that has all my tools from Hawaii. But without further ado, let's step into my other office, the laundry room. Yes, it's a massive laundry room. Guys, check out this laundry room. It's huge. And behind me, we have the NewAge 3.0 garage cabinet set. Guys, this thing is gonna look so epic. I actually haven't even opened this up. So let's go ahead and drag these out of this. Dude, did she steal your food?
Dash. Go away.
Dog. By the way, the dog's name is Dallas, if you can put two and two together. You'd be surprised the amount of times I've used the skateboard as a furniture dolly. Funny enough, it just works really, really well. Ugh. Well, here you go, guys. This is truly Christmas. We're gonna walk through real quick what this exactly is. So this is a kit, kind of a kit, that's actually multiple kits from NewAge Products. I bought this from HomeDepot.com because they had a special sale a few months back, and I tried to catch the sale at the very end in order to basically prepare for this moment. So finally, here we are, NewAge Product Bold Series 3.0. So we obviously have two big boxes, four smaller boxes, and three skinnier boxes. So first off, the big boxes. We have two large tall cabinets, and this box as well comes with a smaller wall cabinet and a rolling cabinet here at the bottom, kind of like a toolbox. So we have two of those, so that's 6 pieces there. In each of these smaller boxes, we have one wall cabinet and a standing cabinet without wheels. So 2 pieces there, same at the bottom. So that is 8 pieces altogether. And then comes the worktops. So each of these are stainless steel worktops. Both of these are 48 inches. This down there is a 72-inch stainless steel worktop. In order to fill this space how I envisioned it, the kits they had were either just way too big or just way too small. So I ordered one of the medium-sized kits and then ordered a stainless steel on top of it in addition to a few other wall and standing cabinets. So what this is gonna do in this corner is actually fill this space here, and then it's gonna wrap around just a little bit on this side as well. So it's gonna be kind of an L-shaped table. Super excited about that. So I've been delaying enough. It's finally time to open these bad boys up and actually see what they look like. Really hoping they are all the right color. If I didn't check all the boxes, I'm just realizing.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man, it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard till you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my watch.
Hello, dog. Did you go in the trash can? You have blue on your ears, which means you're in the trash can, which there's a bunch of chalk in there from... I have no idea where the chalk came from. So, we have... Guys, this is looking so fantastic. And actually, these are a lot better quality than I thought they were going to be. I don't know what really I was thinking. I'd never really heard of NewAge products. Saw a lot of good reviews, but like I grew up around the Craftsman's, the Snap-ons, all that other fun stuff, Matco tools, things like that. And I just like NewAge products, probably just cheap, you know, whatever. But actually, this is really, really good quality stuff. The magnet's super strong. Latches on there. You got locks on the top and the bottom. Go here. We got a shelf on the inside. This is really, really cool stuff. And the finish is perfect. It's more of like a, it's not super glossy, it's not super matte. It's kind of right in between, more of a satin finish there. And that gray looks so good, contrasting with the walls. The borders being black, so we have that one, and these.
With me, she's savage, she wants cash money and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I...
Whew, guys, I know it's just been a second for y'all, but it's actually been over an entire week since the last clip ended. This week for work was it was a fun one to say the least. From the moment I got up and literally till I got home, get a little bit into bed, it was just, yeah. Anyways, we are 8 days later, and we're finally gonna be breaking down this box and setting this one up. Besides this, we just have the tabletops, and then everything is kind of out of its box. So instead of having you guys watch me put this one together, I'm just gonna go ahead and there you go, guys. We got a last cabinet and a dog and a little boy. The last and final thing to open up are these two bad boys right here. So these are stainless steel worktops. Super excited about these. We've got two 48-inch worktops, and then I ordered this one special order, a 72-inch stainless steel worktop. Ooh, wow, guys. Oh, that looks really good. It's a solid piece of wood wrapped in stainless steel. Wow, that's gonna be a sweet work surface. But I'm sure it's gonna scratch, but that's fine. This is a working garage. NewAge. So same brand, guys. NewAge products, cabinets, toolboxes, and the stainless steel worktop. Guys, we are so close. So close. I was gonna mention, I was actually gonna wait till the end of the video to mention it, how well packaged all of this was. Like literally the amount of styrofoam and cardboard and the separation and whole, it was just fantastic. I've never seen anything packaged as well as these NewAge products until the last piece. Every single thing came seamlessly perfect. There's no dents, no scratches, no issues. And then we get to the very, very, very last piece we open, and yeah, there's a nice little dent there at the corner. And unfortunately, this is actually the front side corner here, but nothing new about it. We're just gonna live with the dent. That's totally fine because again, this is gonna be a working garage. These are gonna be dented up. The floor's gonna get scratched up. It's fine, it's a working garage.
Just to feel alive, a fight to live, a fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand. I got a plan, I'm the man. Now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking in my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading. So I'm discovering more fun things about my wonderful house. This wall is completely bowed out right here in the middle. So this table is completely straight. And as you can see here, we got a nice gap. The gap gets closed right there, and then it opens right back up again.
So yeah, my wall's bowed out. So I'm trying to pull the cabinet out just barely a little bit to keep this relatively even all the way in. I'm trying to make these corners match up right here. So my home builders, great job guys.
My name out now, yeah, they hearing me loud. All the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground running, up and coming, ain't nothing. Yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100. Cold-blooded, no budget, from nothing to something. I ain't bluffing, I got a full hand and
We are mounted in up underneath the cabinets, so these tables aren't going anywhere. All the way there. Now comes the fun part where we need to modify the cabinet with the bracket to hit this. And the reason we're modifying this, they align the screws and mounting points really well when you're kind of on a flat surface. But because we have this lip here, and in order to keep the tables completely level, this is what we had to do with the feet. So anyways, so that's level. In order to keep that level, basically the mounting point is much higher. I'm gonna have to put the bracket up, mark it, drill it, and then mount it all together. And then the final mounting place for this table will be the cabinet.
every single drop got me feeling awesome. I'm about to pop, started from the bottom.
Guys, I'm actually really stoked on this. And to be honest, it's really just not real for me right now. I know it's just cabinets, and I know it's just a garage and 4 walls and paint, but guys, this is really, I'm not even joking, a dream come true. We're not even done yet. We still have to put the cabinets up and kind of visualize how this thing is going to really turn out with the top layer. Not exactly sure how it's going to pan out, but just looking at this now, I'm so excited for this. This is just awesome, guys. All right, it's been a few hours. I've pretty much come up with every concoction I can possibly think of. We ran into a few issues with rounding that corner. NewAge does sell a corner cabinet unit. It's like 200 bucks. Like, I can buy TV for that. Let me know what you think here. And it's not done, it's not mounted, it's just kind of placed. Let me know what you think about. So obviously, imagine the cabinets are up. There'll be a break. We got our TV. I stole this out of the game room. Don't tell the little guy I stole it from his room. Just to mock this up, kind of see the size of TV I might want to go with. So that's going to mount up on the wall. We'll probably throw some LEDs at the back of it. That way we have some workshop table lighting, as well as some kind of a cinematic illumination there at the back, and then 2 again over here. So this makes it looks a lot more symmetrical going this route. I just have to, 1, go get a TV, because obviously that's really important here. 2, have someone hold these up while I mount them. Good. Ready? Should we go get a TV while Mom's gone?
Stop till I'm at the top, man. Every single drop got me feeling awesome. I'm about to pop, started from the bottom, yeah. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want in life.
Well, what do you think? Guys, I'm so excited for this. I just could not be more of a child at this point. This is what I've just been dreaming and envisioning for so many years, and it's just beyond real right now that this is physically in front of me and in reality. This is mine. I am so excited that this is really coming true. Now, I do want to set the stage a little bit. A few years ago, I picked up a 2007 Silverado. I needed a truck kind of for work, so I went ahead and picked it up. Had some ugly 22-inch chrome rims on it. We began modifying it, and I started, making videos of it. I really love working on cars, and I liked watching videos about cars. Why can't I mixed the two together. So the early videos were absolutely horrible. Please don't go watch them. Actually, you probably can just go laugh how bad they were. But anyways, we were working on the truck and utilizing this little rack I have here. This rack, I pulled it out of a dumpster years ago, out of a Foodland dumpster. You local brothers out there, Foodland Mililani. Yeah, I pulled it out of the dumpster out there. They'd thrown it out, painted it black, and then I got yellow paint and put stripes on it because I'm a child. Slowly but surely, I began filling up with tools because we began acquiring new tools for new projects. Moral of the story, this rack I pulled out of a dumpster. These tools I acquired over years and years of work. And in that same garage we were working in, we had a nice little tabletop, a wooden tabletop I worked on a lot of the time. And actually I picked it up off Craigslist for free. People were throwing it out and I ran in there in my truck and picked it up. Horrible water damage on it, but I went and sanded it down, fixed it, and became my worktop. Guys, that's setting the stage. A rack pulled out of the dumpster, a free tabletop to work on, very limited tools, and we fast forward to today, and here we have my little oasis in this wonderful, wonderful garage we have just put together slowly. I could not be more grateful for everything at this point. Yes, the TV is not hanging on the walls. I apologize, I did snake you a little bit. The TV mounting system is not gonna be here till tomorrow night, so we're gonna go ahead and close this up. That'll be in the next video for sure, but exciting news is you have been asking for it. The truck, modifications on the truck are coming back, finally. I know you guys have been asking forever to see the truck again, so we're gonna see the TV going up on the wall in that final visual look, and we'll be modifying the truck in our next video, so keep an eye out for that. NewAge garage cabinet set. Could not be more happy with the quality, the finish. Just looks so freaking good. The stainless steel worktops look fantastic. And yes, they're gonna get scratched up. I know. I'm gonna do something else with the tabletops eventually, but for right now, they look phenomenal. Guys, I cannot thank you enough. This has been made possible because of you, and I'm not kidding. Without you guys being engaged on this channel and watching and being a loyal, let's call it Lone Star Hawaiian family, none of this is happening. So again, thank you so much for being a part of this and a part of this journey so far. There's a lot more to come, and the more and more engagement and growth we get on this channel, the more and more crazy things we'll continue to do. We need a place to do them. So here we are, the Lone Star Hawaiian Garage. Guys, thank you so much. But until next time, this is gonna close it out. We'll see you in a few days for our next video. Aloha.